What is up and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, guys. It's been a long time since I made my last video analysis about Bitcoin, but overall the plan stays the same. If you have watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin, congratulations. And today I'm going to update you about short-term targets and also long-term to medium-term targets. So if you are ready, let's dive right in. So previously, I have discussed about the possible double top, guys, on Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading at around $108,000. I have tweeted double top here, and I have made several videos about this, talking about the possible huge drop from 108,000 down to $70,000. And right now I'm going to update you. I'm going to give you an update about that analysis. So here I have also posted an analysis yesterday. We'll talk about that shortly. But right now, when Bitcoin dropped to $85,000, I have predicted that we could probably see a retest of this previous key resistance or previous key support level at around $90,000. And looking at the Bitcoin chart, look at this, guys. When Bitcoin dropped to this level, we have seen that massive retest and wick to the upside up to $92,000. But that was a beautiful price action as predicted. Main target remains at $70,000. So right now we are not yet safe, guys, because Bitcoin is on the process of retesting this major resistance trend line, or this 200 exponential moving average. This is a strong support. Right now, this will act as a resistance for Bitcoin. And also, we need to keep an eye on this very important level, guys. If Bitcoin will be able to flip this 200 exponential moving average into a support, then probably short term we could see a reversal and retest this key resistance level. But right now, Bitcoin is probably going to get rejected here and going to continue to move to the downside. Right now, using chart prime oscillator, guys, we have a bullish divergence. So it is still possible that Bitcoin could actually still retest and probably wick a little bit to the upside, a little bit of fake out up to $86,000 up to this level right here, and then continue its move to the downside. But right now, looking at the Bitcoin dominance, let's talk about Bitcoin dominance, guys. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance right now is on the 62% level. And if we're going to zoom out, look at this, guys. I have made an analysis and I have posted it on my X account. So be sure to follow me on Twitter if you want to stay up to date with my latest analysis about Bitcoin and your favorite altcoins. So going back to Bitcoin dominance, if you see these level right here, 70% is a major resistance for Bitcoin dominance, guys. And this usually signals the top for Bitcoin. So looking at the comparing the previous price of Bitcoin to Bitcoin dominance, every time the Bitcoin dominance reaches the 70% level, usually it signals the top, guys. And usually it signals the last final leg up, especially for the altcoins. So if Bitcoin dominance reaches the 73 or 70-ish level, that would probably be the top for this cycle, guys. That would signal the top for the Bitcoin's price, and that could probably signal the start of the alt season. So if we see Bitcoin dominance reach the 70%, probably Bitcoin's price is going to rally as well, and then we might see Bitcoin dominance drop, Bitcoin price drop and then consolidate. And when that time happens, Bitcoin dominance drop, Bitcoin consolidate, then altcoins will start to rally. I think that's it for now. That's my latest analysis about Bitcoin. I hope you have enjoyed my analysis. So right now, I am buying spot, guys, because if you have seen my latest post on Twitter, I've made an analysis here about Bitcoin dominance. So I've talked about Bitcoin dominance is currently sitting at around 62% level. That means that Bitcoin is still dominating the crypto market and outperforming majority of the altcoins. Bitcoin reaching 70%, as discussed, would signal a possible top for this bull market, guys. The 70% level is a major resistance for Bitcoin dominance, and a drop in a Bitcoin dominance usually signals that altcoin could start to rally and outperform Bitcoin. We could probably see, it is very important, guys, we could probably see a final leg and final alt season before bull market ends. Again, I am still expecting 2 months of market choppiness and a major Bitcoin correction from February to April. From mid to the end of April, we could probably see some good altcoin rallies. However, this depends on Bitcoin price action. The 70% or 70K target remains crucial before we see consolidation, as explained earlier, and short-term bounce. So I'm expecting a short-term bounce at around 80,000. Right now, we're seeing that short-term bounce and a retest of the 200 exponential moving average. Keep an eye on that level. We could see small dead cat bounce and relief rally before relief rally to retest the previous resistance. This time we can do some small scalp trades. And if you want to copy my trade, there is a new feature, guys, on BYDfi. They have right now copy trade feature. So if you want to copy my trade on BYDfi, be sure to create an account on BYDfi. I will add a referral link in the description down below. You can search for my name, Chill Trader, and you can start copying my trades on BYDfi. Very important that you need to use my referral link, because if you're going to use other links, you will not be able to copy my trade on BYDfi. This is very new. I have started an account on my copy trade, so it's pretty new. Of course, do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.